Hi guys, today I'm giving you a virtual walk on a freshly stocked Range Rover Evoque. It's the 2 litre D180 and this is the 4-wheel drive S edition. Finished in this gorgeous Narvik black. As you can tell, a really lovely looking car. Great paintwork as well, looks great. Get onto the alloys, got the 18-inch twin spoke alloys finished in silver. Got the nice centre cases on there too, which Land Rover have. Very nice. Goes to the front, you get Land Rover LED headlights with daytime running lights. Very bright and powerful lights and also look great. Got the nice S bumper with the nice black grills, and then the S splitter as well with the silver splitter, and then you've got the silver grille as well and badging, which looks great. Here's the sides, you've got the nice silver side vents and there's a black side vents. Matching full of wind mirrors to the body colour, you've got your indicators on there too and black housing, a nice black trim on the outside of the windows, and you've also got black beepers and red privacy glass. To lock the car, you can see you've got the nice retracting door handles, which you can open up and you can come out as well, which is great. If you go to the back, you've got a nice lip spoiler on top of the boot with your brake light on. You've got the really nice rear tail lights that the Evoque has, and a nice silver Range Rover badging and the breakup colour diffuser. Press the button on the boot will pop open on its own. You've got great boot space, you can fit a lot in there. Very clean and nice and spacious. Really good. You can put the seats down as well. You've also got a power outlet there too, so you can use that for your tools and everything. And you can put the seats down, remove the load space cover, and the space will be even more. Press that button and the boot will close on its own. If we go into the rear of the car, you can see we have the nice full leather interior with nice contrast stitching going through. Very spacious and also very comfortable. You can fit 3 people in there nicely. You also have space on the back of the seats for some storage. Nice rear fans and another 12 volt down there too. Going on into the front of the car, you can see we have the nice electric seats, which also have lumbar support, which are very nice and comfortable. Getting into the car, if we turn the car on, we can press the stop start button, turn the car on, turn the volume down. We've got nice full leather steering wheel controls on either side. So on this side you've got your volume control and channel changing. You can see you've got virtual driving dash, which you can actually change on here, so you can get different displays up. Get your navigation up, change how the units look, get the layout of it, so you can change it to 2 dial as well, so you can see, you can change how it looks. You got your hands-free and voice command as well on this side. On this side you've got your cruise control limiter, and then you've got your lane assist as well, which is there. If you go to the sides, you've got the nice leather door cards, really lovely feel to the door cards, very nice and comfy. If you've got the fully electric automatic windows, the ability to lock the rear windows, you also have electric folding wing mirrors as well. If we go to the media system, which is all touchscreen, you can see you've got the nice new media systems. You've got navigation, which is all up to date with the latest software, you can see all the latest places. You've got media, so you've got your phone, so you can connect your phone through Bluetooth, USB, so you can listen to your own music. You've also got FM, AM and DAB for internet radio as well, which is great. Put the car in reverse, you can see you've got a nice rear parking camera and parking sensors all around the car too. Going over to the climate control, if we go down, you can see you've got a heated front windshield, you've also got defogging on the front and rear, air circulation, recirculation, you've got heated seats on either side. You can push this button in, change the heated seats, just that. Tools and climate control, so you've got temperatures on either side, you can sync them together, change what's in the back. Very customizable, really nice to use. Obviously a nice gear lever, lovely Land Rover engraving. You can take this out, you've got 2 drinks holders, or you can place in for some storage space. And then if we open up the centre bit, you've got some more storage space, 2 USB ports, a SIM card place, and also a 12 volt as well. So if you have any more questions about this car, please feel free to contact our sales team, and potentially this could be your next new car. Cheers.